Welcome. In this short video, let us understand reported speech clearly, simply, and with real-world examples. Reported speech is when you tell someone what another person said without quoting them directly. For example, she said, "I am tired," becomes, "She said she was tired." Now, let us break it down. Rule 1. Tense changes. When reporting, the verb tense usually shifts one step back into the past. "I work here" becomes, "He said he worked here." "She is cooking" becomes, "She said she was cooking." "They have left" becomes, "They said they had left." "I ate lunch" becomes, "He said he had eaten lunch." Rule 2. Pronouns and time words change too. We adjust pronouns depending on who is speaking and who is being talked about. "I love my job" becomes, "She said she loved her job." "We will meet tomorrow" becomes, "He said they would meet the next day." Here are some common changes. I becomes he or she. My becomes his or her. Today becomes that day. Tomorrow becomes the next day. Yesterday becomes the day before. Rule 3. Sometimes you do not need to change the tense. If the reporting verb is in the present, like says or tells, keep the original tense. "She says, I am learning French" becomes, "She says she is learning French." Also, when stating facts or general truths, the tense does not change. "He said the sun rises in the east." Not rose, but rises. Next. How do we report questions? For yes or no questions, we use if or whether. "Do you like coffee?" becomes, "He asked if I like coffee." For work questions, we keep the question word but drop the question structure. "Where are you going?" becomes, "She asked where I was going." Not "where was I going." Now let us look at commands and requests. Use verbs like told, asked, or requested, followed by to plus the base verb. Sit down becomes, "He told me to sit down." Please be quiet becomes, "She asked me to be quiet." For negatives, add not. Do not touch that becomes, "He told me not to touch it." Let us quickly recap. Shift the tense one step back. Change pronouns and time words. Use it for yes/no questions and keep who words for other questions. For commands, use to plus verb, or not to for negatives. That is it. Reported speech made simple. If this helped, like and subscribe for more lessons in English. Thanks for learning with me.